Hey guys, let's talk about the SQ3R, which are strategies and read to achieve to help you become better readers. So, let's talk about what the S stands for. The S stands for survey, and the Q stands for questions. During your reading process, there are strategies that you should use. So, a survey. So, think about a survey. Surveys are questions. Step 1, make a connection with the reading. What is the topic of the lesson about? What is your purpose for reading? What do you know about the topic already? So, that's step 1. Those are survey questions. Step 2, read the beginning of the lesson. Step 3, look at the main part of the lesson. And step 4, read the end of the lesson. Guys, these things are very important to do to help you become better readers. Now let's talk about the Q. The Q stands for questions. Questions that you should ask, things that you should look at. You should make sure you're paying attention to the lesson title, the subheadings, the bold print, the highlighted words, and also the who, what, where, when, and why. Those are questions that you should be asking during your survey when you're reading. Very important. So the S stands for survey, the Q stands for questions. Let's talk about the 3 and the R. 3R stands for read, reflect, and review. So read. First of all, you want to read the selection. Then you want to read any questions in the selection. Then you want to write the answers to the questions. Then you go back and you reread and adjust anything that you need to during your reading. Reflect. There's 2 things very important. Read your notes that you will be taking. Also, think about how the topic relates to you, things that's going on in the world, and other things. That's 2 steps you should do about reflecting. Now let's talk about review. Review, I know this seems silly, but read the question and say the answer. And then step 2, read the answer and say the question, making sure that it makes sense. Okay guys, you're all ready for Read to Achieve strategies. I will see you soon. Remember that SQ3R is helping you become better readers.